Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stack Overflow, ask and answer programming questions step by step clearly. To log into Stack Overflow, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type stackoverflow.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login screen. Here, you will see options to log in using different methods. You can choose to log in via your email, Google account, Facebook account, or GitHub account. If you prefer to log in with an email, click on the corresponding option. Enter your email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click the login button to continue. If you selected a social media option, follow the prompts to log in through that platform. Once logged in, you will be redirected back to the Stack Overflow homepage. You can now ask questions or provide answers to other users. To ask a question, click that Ask Question button at the top of the page. To answer a question, navigate to a question that interests you and click on the Answer button below it. You are now ready to engage with the Stack Overflow community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.